Hi everyone, what's up and how's your mood been? Cause there's only one thing to change it and it's just Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Let's get started. So now let me go to the restroom, load my game, Ronda the Rash. Here open the file and let me go. What? It's got saved as Pearl. Oh, that lady, talk more workless. Okay, so today I'll be doing that Pero Pico. Sorry, Pero Grande. Pero Grande, the red color one. So let's see its features. It's a 250cc Pero Grande, socket popping acceleration and surgical flickability. One of the slickest bikes in the world. So they're trying to tell it's kind of a restless handling and restless bike. Okay, so it's $9,199, 75 HP slash 280 lbs. Handling is fidgety. So this point is coincident to the first point that it has a restless handling. It's not really like great or anything, they're trying to tell. So the acceleration is socket popping. They're trying to say it has a good reflex, it has a fast acceleration, the speed boosts up quickly, that's pretty good, and the top speed is blazing. So they're trying to tell that it has a great force, it has a great heat, so the speed should be pretty good or at least some little bit decent. So now let me buy this bike. Congratulations and celebrations. Now let me keep the rubber side down. Let me go back. Hey, what happened to the screen? Oh, okay. Now I'm back to the bulletin board. Pacific Highway, 17.6 kilometers, level 3. Let's kill it and nail it. Yeah, pretty handsome bike. Quite handsome. Charlie, no words to say. This bike. Let's see. We're back at the ocean. Once again, the third time, indeed. Charlie is approaching me. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That one, he had a fall. Slim Jim. Yeah. Two nice falls I gave. Grub, grub, grub. Oh, shit. Now I fell. Now I need to come back quickly. Need to make that comeback. Yeah, let's go. Grub is approaching me. Grub is approaching me. Okay. Driller. Lost control. Yeah, grub. Grub. Yeah, Dex. Oh, what, trying to kick me? Oh, you're also using chain. What is this, sir? Pink color bike, that too. Some fashion show bike it looks like. Axel, this place is not for criminals. Why you? Hey, Sydney, Rispal kid, come here. Where are you going? Ronda the Rash. This one's going to be a pretty good fight. Nope. Marshall, as usual, our inspection. These police officers, what to say to them? I Sydney. This one more. Sydney, just tell you can't do it instead of unnecessarily fighting. Here I'm the third place. So now let's talk about the features of this bike, the character traits. So starting with the handling, they said it's fidgety, it's a restless handling, but I don't see anything which is not great. It has a pretty good handling. Everything is decent. It's just good, I would say. Just good. So yeah, handling is good. It's not comparable to what they said out there, that it's a fidgety handling. And the acceleration, yes, it gives a pretty fast reflex, as you saw in the starting and when I fell first. It gives a fast comeback. So the handling is fast, really good. The acceleration is fast, Really good acceleration. Handling is also good. Okay, now the speed is 240 kilometers an hour. That's really good from a sport bike. And I would say the cost of the bike is pretty cheap. $9,199 is pretty cheap and worth it. So I would say go for this bike in level 3. Level 1, level 2, it's useless because it doesn't make sense. Level 1, level 2 rat bikes are only better. So, and in level 4, I will, after I finish all the races which I am doing on Sundays, all the races, I will race this bike in level 4 also to give a better and a clear cut whether this bike will be good for level 4 as well. Okay, yeah. Let's come back here. I'm in the first place and we have these lovely mountains. This just like a heavenly view, Pacific Highway. It's my favorite place. I remember like when I was a kid, no, I always used to race here only. Nowhere else I used to race. But the only problem is these trees and all are very irritating. Let's go back on the track. We are in the first place. I think some police officer should be here. Hey, today they didn't come. These police officers, no. From where did they get all these people? From Bollywood or some Hollywood or from which wood did they got these kind of police officers? Only tea coffee they'll be drinking now. That only they're fit for. And midnight, nicely 3-4 rounds they do. Then they sleep. Morning 6 o'clock they won't be able to do anything. They'll be moving left right as if they're drunkard. Cause they're actually drunkards. They're drunkards. So, what do you expect, police officers? Do not do all that. I've told now, injurious to health. Let's move it on. I want to sing a song. Oh, why this cola very deep? Why this cola very deep? Now the ocean, and yeah, another 400 meters. Let's move it. Yeah, and here I will. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me at Yane_Thunders. See you tomorrow.